On the water, conditions changed constantly. We wanted a system that worked well across all conditions. That didn't feel complicated and fit into a variety of vessels seamlessly. That's no small task.
Stability improves everything from safety to comfort and ultimately how long you can stay on the water.
The DG3 began with a question. How do we make stabilization faster, smarter, and more efficient without compromising performance? From there, everything was open to rethinking.
The marine environment is one of the harshest environments out there to test on. When we're in the prototyping phase, it's an iterative process. There's the understanding that we need to build something that people will trust out on the water.
The core design challenge was integrating something incredibly powerful into a real clean and compact form. The design has to work visually, mechanically, and over long days on the water. We're aiming for fewer compromises, more precision. Every iteration leads to a better design.
The stabilization system we were building had to be a truly active gyro.
Each circuit, although you may have seen it previously, performs a different function for a real-life problem. There are endless possibilities that you can create with the same component.
At the core of the DG3 is an immense amount of gyroscopic force. It was something that we explored from the beginning, but once we realized how it could be integrated into the stabilization system, that was a real breakthrough. So the challenge was harnessing that force precisely, without waste or delay. In early R&D, we realized that we had to reduce the spin up and spin down time of the product. The biggest challenge with creating the system was the complexity of the individual components within the gyro and how everything was working together.
Salt, vibration, heat, everything has to endure.
It's a balancing act. Design, build, test, retest.
The breakthrough came when we moved to electric precession. By removing hydraulics, we eliminated lag and complexity. The result is when we have changing sea states, the system responds faster and more accurately, adapting to every swell and condition the vessel encounters.
We're building the DG3 together in our facility, but its ultimate proving ground is on the water.
What I'm most proud of is the efficiency.
One of our design breakthroughs was bringing regenerative power back into the vessel. We're achieving stabilization, but not at the expense of other systems on board.
And even recapturing energy during spin down. That changes how boaters can use the system day to day.
The ability to stabilize a vessel at the push of a button really builds confidence when conditions aren't ideal. It's changed the way I really move around the water. I can fish longer, move easier, and really enjoy being out here.
As a team, we kept pushing until we had something truly innovative.
I'm so proud of what our team has created.
We wanted to raise the bar for stability on the water. We saw the need for a stabilization system built for the modern boater. This is the beginning of our journey into marine stabilization.